Hi, I'm going to do a review on the GobiDex Volcanic Gemstone Dig Kit that I was gifted for my sons. I'll show you first on what's inside, so I'll do an unboxing, and then I'll show you how, to actually use it with my kids. So first I'll go ahead and open up the box. Okay, and then I'll show you exactly what's inside. Okay, so we have the safety goggles here. And then we have the magnifier, and we have the hammer, the brush, and the chisel to, break down the plaster and then brush off the stones. And then we have the light right here. Most important, we have the volcanic plaster. So we will submerge this in water for a couple minutes to soften it, and then use the chisel and the hammer to break it down. And then the kit itself comes with 8 raw stones, so we'll show you also what that looks like. But before we do that, here is the storage pouch. So once you're all done with this dig kit, you can save your stones for later, which is really nice too. You just put it in and pull. Also comes with the instructions as well as more information, which I really like about each stone. So you can review that and learn more. So I really like this kit because it's, a hands-on type of experiment. And then also you get the stones that come with it. And then you also can learn what each one is about. Here's what the kit looks like all laid out. So you can see everything that I went over earlier. And then I'll show you here how I submerged the plaster in the water to soften it. I did end up doing a little bit longer than the 2 to 3 minutes because it did feel a little bit harder. So I think that helped. And then I'll show you here my son. He's chiseling away, trying to get to the stones. And then you can also see me helping him as well to make it a little bit easier. And it's a fun activity that, we could do together. And like I said, the plaster is a little harder, so you have to really get at a good angle to get through the stone. And then now we're using the brush to see, what stone is popping out right here. And then we also rinsed off these stones here and then are using the brush to get it a little bit cleaner. And then we use the magnifier to get a closer look, as well as the UV light, because for some of them you can see like a glow when you look at it close up, which we'll show you. And then you can put them in the pouch when you're all done for safekeeping. So here is the whole kit. I definitely recommend you check this out for yourself if you're looking for a fun activity to do with your little one.